3, 4. Hey there, this is Sam Peters. Today I'm going to show you a really cool riff that I discovered as I was diving down the rabbit hole of YouTube looking for something inspiring to play. I discovered this really cool riff by John Mayer. I have a link to the video down below. So let's take that apart. He's basically just thinking over a D7 chord. And he's basically just playing a D minor pentatonic over that D7 chord. So what we have here is this. So super easy riff. Not a lot of stuff we have to worry about there, except for it's moving so fast. So let's take it apart. You got your third finger here on the G string, and your fourth finger here on the B string, on the 12th fret and the 13th fret respectively. That's to the 10th fret on the G string and the B string. That's the G string to the D string. Pull off, 12th fret to 10th fret on each. Root on the D. Playing the 10th fret on the D string, 10th fret on the G string. And then what we play is the D string and then the A string. 12th to 10th twice, pulling off to the A string, so that's D string to the A string. And then what we have is we have the root, which is D with your thumb, and then you're sliding into that D7, or the flat 7, which is C on the D string, and the F sharp, which is the 3 on the G string. And then we play D string, 10th fret, pull off, 12 to 10 on the D string, 12 to 10 on the A string, 12 to 10 on the G string, 12 to 10 on the D string, and back to the root. Back to that 10th fret on the D string. And that's just pull off on the D string, third finger on the A string, 10th fret, or sorry, second finger on the A string, 12th fret, third finger on the 13th fret on the E string, and that's a hammer on 10 to 12 on the A string, and back to the root, and back to that D7, and back to that original lick that we played. All those pull-offs. Back to the root, back into the D7, back to the, which is the D string, A string, E string, back to the root. That's 10 to 12 on the D string, and this is the hardest part of the whole song. It's just the quickest part. Technically, it's the hardest part to play. And all I'm doing is I'm raking through the 10th fret from the D string to the B string, and then I'm hammering on and pulling off the 12th fret on the B string, the 10th to 12th fret on the G string, and the 10th to 12th fret on the D string. And then we're back to the root, to the D7, which we've done before, to the root. And that's it. That's your whole piece. I'll have another John Mayer riff for you real soon. I hope you enjoyed that. Good luck.